simplysimplestamping.com. I am sporting my Minnie Mouse ears today because it goes along so perfect with today's card. Guys, this card is really a fun one to make. Couple circle punches are all you need to make Mickey or Minnie, and we just added a little bow to make it a mini card. So whether you need it for your Mickey fan or your Minnie fan, today's card is going to be a perfect birthday card because you know what? You're never too old to wear the ears. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and talk about the cardstock you need to create the card today. My card base is in real red, Mickey Mouse red, and that is cut 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 inches. I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock, 5 1/4 by 2 inches. I have a little piece of Daffodil Delight, 1 inch by 4 1/4, and then I have a 1 1/4 inch circle and 2 1-inch circles. I'm going to use the Broadway birthday stamp set today because, you know, nothing says Disney like making a wish. Before we get started, we do need to do a little punching with the triple banner punch. So let's take both of these pieces and punch out our banners. We're going to use a Momento Black Ink Pad, and we're going to stamp "You're Never Too Old to Make-a," and we want to put that right up here by the banner. Now we're going to stamp the word "Wish," and we're going to stamp that. We're going to go right here on our Daffodil Delight. Perfect. Okay, we have our stamping done. Nothing says Mickey or Minnie like polka dots. We're going to put this in our polka dot embossing folder. Let's go run that through the Big Shot machine. All right, it's time to put our card together. Let's go ahead and adhere our first banner. And we're going to come up, about 1 inch or so from the bottom. We can add that. Now we can come in with our wish. And this one you're going to come at just a slight angle. Don't worry, we're going to cover that up. Let's go ahead and create our Mickey with those wonderful circles. I'm actually just going to add a little bit of snail there on the back. And I can come in and add the ears just like that. Now we're going to secure those again with some Stampin' Dimensionals. So let's put those right there on the seams. That's just going to kind of help us to hold that down. I'm going to get a little dimensional happy here, and we can add our Mickey right there. Okay, now that's great, but if you want to make it a Minnie Mouse, it's a simple little thing. I've got our cookie cutter punch, and there's a perfect little bow right there. I just got a little scrap of red. Let's punch out a little Minnie Mouse bow, but if it's going to be for Minnie Mouse, it's going to have some polka dots. So I have got my chalk marker, and I'm just going to tap, 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 tap. I want that white to be really nice and bold, so I'm going to tap some polka dots. And now I can just take a mini glue dot. We're going to put that right there. I like using my Take Your Pick tool because now I can use this side to pick up that bow and add it right there. There you have it, guys. That is one easy card, isn't it? It really is a fun one to put together. Now, I should have mentioned this in the video. You want to lay down the Daffodil Delight piece very gently because you may have to move it around to get the Mickey Mouse to fit on there. So make sure you just kind of gently lay it. So if you have to tweak it a little bit, you can do that. But guys, this is a really fun card to make. I hope it's one that inspires you. Now, if you want to find out more about today's card, or you'd like to see the photos, or maybe order those punches that you need, here's what you can do. Head over to simplysimplestamping.com and just look for the December 15th, 2018 blog post. I'll have all the details there for you. And like I said, there's photos. And if you need to order any of the supplies, it's easy. You just click a pick. That's all there is to it. You can order what you need so you can create these cards as well. Thank you so much for joining me today and letting me wear the ears. I don't know, I think I might keep these on for the rest of the day. It's kind of fun. Bringing out the inner kid. Anyway, thank you for being here. If you like what you saw, be sure to click subscribe so you can see more videos here at simplysimplestamping.com. Have a great day, my friends, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.